Does your main character look like in Potato? Then do this. Watch this video till the end. Then you can also create a character like this. For drawing a main character, you should always start with a circle and divide the circle into two parts, horizontally, vertically. Now, make sure that the lines are sharp. So, main character always has a sharper jawline. Even the chins will be sharp. Now, do the exact shape to the another side. Unlike female character, male character always has a border neck. And while drawing male eyes, make it sharper. Well, more big eyes would feel like a little uneasy and ugly, so sharper eyes will give a man-hunter look. This was not done by me, just an example. Making left eye is more painful than anything. A small line for mouth and nose will be more beautiful than the realistic nose. Use this simple trick to the ears. Start at the length of the nose and close at the length of the nose. Comment down which tutorial should I make next. We came to the end of the video. And is about drawing the hair. To be honest, hair is the one of the easiest thing to draw. Imagine hair as a shape and draw first shape. Don't draw any hairstyle, just imagine as a shape. And now give a better outline to the hair. Here I will erase all the guidelines. Now see, I never use any stand, I just using it as a simple shape. Even you can practice this hairstyle. Now just give the outline. After giving the outline, think of a gravity. You don't need to become Isaac Newton. Just draw some arrow and imagine that as a gravity. And now it's your time. Now just make the outline and keep a simple trick that the end of the hair should be sharp and the starting of the hair should be little broader. And this is how hair is made. Now erase all the arrow and just draw what you think. Simple outline, and this is how hair is made. It is the easiest trick you can do, and with using this you can draw any type kind of hair. After that, just add simple strands in your own way, but don't forget about the gravity. And that's all. That's it. You have created your own beautiful male character. Subscribe for more tutorial like this.